Hey, welcome to another episode of I Want to Cook, and today we're going to do a quick tip. What is mise en place? Mise en place is a term that you will hear a lot if you're in culinary school. You're going to hear it all the time. In restaurants, kitchens, you will hear it. Mise en place is a very important concept, and it means everything in its place. And it's a concept that is actually really super helpful in just kitchens at home as well, and will make cooking and your sanity a whole lot easier. So mise en place means that you have everything ready to go. That means what you're going to be cooking, all the ingredients, all your utensils, and even your pan, pot, or whatever you're going to be cooking it in. Everything is ready to go. This is an absolute sanity saver, because there's nothing like, you're following along a recipe and you're cooking and then you realize, oh crap, I'm out of butter or I need more milk. This prevents all that because you can go ingredient by ingredient. You have everything laid out. You even have your knife ready, your pan ready. It's good to go. So let me show you an example. Do you remember the frittata that we made? Here's a mise en place for the frittata. We have obviously the eggs, we have the potato and onions, we have the cheese, we've got the milk, the cream in this case that we're using that we'll mix in with the eggs. We've even got our garnish ready to go. And then in addition to that, I've got the bowl that I'm going to mix the eggs in, a plate that I'll cook the potatoes on, and then of course the pan that we're going to cook everything in. Here we're using a cast iron. And of course we have our utensils. So that's what mise en place is all about. Before you begin cooking, it's super easy to do. Make sure you're mise en placed. Get everything ready to go. Just go one by one on the ingredients list, and then think about what you're going to be using to cook it in. Think about the type of pan you're going to be using, the type of pot. Even have your oven ready to go if it's something that involves using an oven. So give it a try. Mise en place, that's what it's all about. And you're going to look like a real pro when you have all of your mise en place, everything ready to go. And again, it's just really going to save your sanity. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip, and we'll see you next time.